We are going to talk about why hiring Mexican personnel is better than foreign.
There are two important factors. First of all, there is the Mexican economy, and second, there is the company's economy. First, it boosts Mexican economy. If we start to hire Mexican personnel, then we will have a better quality of lives for our Mexican families. And if the kids can have a better opportunity of education, then they will develop themselves better. If we don't hire Mexican personnel, a lot of our graduates will be unemployed. There is a study that says that in Mexico, 2 out of 5 graduates are unemployed.
Mexico is the fourth major grain exporter. A growing percent of Mexican migrants have studied at university level, and this means that we are letting people make other countries rich and also other companies. There is a quote of Albert Einstein that say, "Only those people and countries will be successful who understand how to generate knowledge and how to protect it, how to find young people who have the ability to do so and make sure they stay in the country." The foreign workers is equal talent. That's wrong, because a skilled worker is a person with a specific skill which can be learned at school or in training sessions as well as self-taught. This means that almost or even all the people can learn whatever they want if they have the correct education or training to do something. And the benefit of a country lies within the development of its enterprise and organizations. Therefore, hiring only Mexican assures the benefit of Mexico, since no one will work harder for the benefit of the country than Mexicans will work. We are going to reduce the poverty because, as we see here just in Silao, the 57% of people are in moderate poverty and extreme poverty. The 44.2 are in moderate poverty and the 12.8 in extreme poverty. We can change this by giving them work, and this means that if we hire Mexican people, we are going to hire the people around the company, which is the people from Silao. And with this, we all win.
Companies won't have to pay the expenses of their personnel, of their foreign personnel.
And also, 1 out of 9 people, just one foreign can be hired if you have 9 Mexican people. This means that if you want to contract or to hire foreign people, you will have to have the 90% of your company Mexican. And there is a quote, and if you're wondering why we are sure to be more prepared than foreigners are, we all are going to answer because I'm Mexican, as Del Toro said in the Oscars. We are going to talk about why hiring Mexican